Hi folks, Brian Holder here, Breeden RV Center. Just want to welcome y'all to this nice, beautiful day. Spring is just around the corner, and I want to show you two quick tips on the difference between manual and electric jacks. Manual jacks. You see all that time it's taken Not to mention you've typically got 4 points on a camper to level at. Or folks, you can step up to the electric stabilizing jacks with a minuscule amount of money. Look at the effortless, just pushing a button. The exact same time to bring these electric jacks down as it takes the manuals, but you're not putting forth any effort and you're getting 2 points of contacts down at the same time that it takes you 1. Or folks, we have a third and very least expensive way to do it. 3/4 inch socket with a cordless drill. What you don't want to do is try to level it with your stabilizers, folks. The object that we're trying to get here is to stabilize it, to keep the camper from rocking. Just always remember that. Brian at Breeden RV Center, come see me.